Nestled in the love of the Himalayas lies the ancient city of Kathmandu, and high above this city, a sacred monument shines, Swayambhunath, where the all-seeing eyes of Buddha gaze eternally over the world. Swayambhu, meaning the self-existent one, is not just a stupa, it's a timeless witness to the peaceful coexistence of Buddhist wisdom and Hindu devotion, living in harmony for thousands of years. After climbing over 200 ancient stone steps, you arrive at this sacred summit, where the distance between sky and soul disappears. Swayambhunath is a living symbol of our shared spiritual history, where the peace of Buddha and the silence of Shiva pulse in a single heartbeat. At Boundless Adventure, we bring you closer to such profound places, not just to see them, but to feel them.
Namaste, I am Damar, Managing Director of Boundless Adventure. I am Heritage Tour Operator in Kathmandu. Among of them, Kathmandu Darbar Square, Monkey Temple, Bodhanath and Pashupatinath. Thank you.
With over 25 years of experience, we do not just guide, we awaken. We help you connect with the soul, culture and the peace that define Nepal.